What is Wi-Fi calling and how it is used? In today's world, when someone needs to talk to someone, they turn to calling. But do you know that in the present time, a new feature has started coming in most mobile phones, which is called Wi-Fi calling. In this article, we are going to learn how it works and how you can use it on your phone. What is Wi-Fi calling? Wi-Fi calling is a new technology in the field of telecommunication. It allows you to make calls easily in areas with low or poor connectivity using a Wi-Fi network. This technology only works if your telecom operator supports Wi-Fi calling and the user must have a good Wi-Fi connection to use it. Currently, Reliance Jio, Vodafone Idea, Airtel are the operators in India that support Wi-Fi calling. Wi-Fi calling is more useful in areas where connectivity is low, such as if you are in a place where there is very little network but the Wi-Fi speed is good, then you can make calls without any interruption. The chances of call drops are also very less in this. How to use Wi-Fi calling? The first thing to do when using Wi-Fi calling is to update your phone to the latest software. Because, although every company now offers Wi-Fi calling in their phones, if it is not in your phone, you can update your phone so that the company may provide that feature for your phone after the update. After that, you have to go to the settings of your phone and turn on Wi-Fi calling there. By doing this, you get connected to the Wi-Fi network. Now, you people must be thinking that there is a risk of balance deduct being cut in Wi-Fi calling. Then you are wrong because there is no separate charge for Wi-Fi calling, you just need a Wi-Fi network. One more thing to keep in mind is that the number from which you want to make Wi-Fi calling should have recharge, only then you can make a call. If there is no balance, you cannot make a call. If you want to enable Wi-Fi calling on your Android phone, follow the steps below. First, you have to go to the settings of your phone and then go to the network section. In the network section, go to Wi-Fi preference and then go to advanced. There, see the option of Wi-Fi calling. If you use two SIMs in your phone, then you have to decide which number you want to enable, and if you want, you can enable both the numbers. There are also some phones in which the option of Wi-Fi calling is available in the network section itself. You can enable it from there. How to use Wi-Fi calling in India? You are very curious to know how you can use Wi-Fi in India. You know that currently two network SIMs are running more in India. The first is Reliance Jio and the second is Airtel. Both these companies have enabled Wi-Fi calling across the country. This means that whether you use Android or iPhone, you can avail this facility across the country. If you use any of these two networks and your phone supports Wi-Fi calling, then you can enable Wi-Fi calling on your phone. Now you must be thinking that after all, which phones support Airtel and Reliance? If we talk about Apple's phones, then Airtel supports iPhone, say from iPhone 11 series. And if you look at Android, it supports OnePlus devices, which include the OnePlus 7 series and OnePlus 6 series, and supports all Samsung devices. Apart from this, it supports the entire Redmi 7 series. If we look at Reliance, it supports all the latest phones of Samsung, Vivo, Mobistar, Tecno, and Xiaomi. And if you look at the iPhone, it also supports iPhone, say from iPhone 11 series. Advantages of Wi-Fi calling. Nowadays, the problem of the network has started increasing a lot, but you can call anyone through Wi-Fi calling. If you are in a place where the network is not good and if you have a Wi-Fi connection, then you can connect with anyone. Through this, you can not only make calls, but also send voice message and text message. Disadvantages of WiFi calling. It always requires a good Wi-Fi connection. Like and subscribe.